Ngo-2020 iSouth Africa yathola u-500 billion. Yashonaphi leyo mali leyo? Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, iSouth Africa yathola u-500 billion. Yashonaphi leyo mali? Ndoda yamadoda, awazi wena? Awazi? Asiqale. According to i-National Treasury on paper the time bethola le mali bathembisa lezinto ukuthi u-200 billion was i-loan guaranteed for ama-businesses ala eSouth Africa ukuthi athuthuke. U-50 billion it was for i-social grant for abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo. U-70 billion it was for i-tax relief ume ukhokha i-tax kancane. U-20 billion was for emergency healthcare spending, and then 100 billion it was i-job protection ne-UIF. Imsebenzi yenu kwakumele ivikeleke ningaphelelwe imsebenzi. And then u-60 billion it was for i-municipal support. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi le mali engaka was meant ukuthi isiza abantu eSouth Africa, pho konakalaphi? Thula ulalele. Asiqale kwi-health sector. Understand mntomnyama ukuthi u-2.1 billion wantshontshwa kwi-health sector bethembise ukuthi bazoprovide ibhedlela with ama-personal protective equipment. That time iphumile itender, and according to i-special investigative unit eGauteng enyama iphele eGoli, uBandile Masuku, the health MEC was implicated. Watholakala kwisigeme sa-125 million ngesikhathi bepromise ukuthi bazoprovide ibhedlela with ama-personal protective equipment. Understand ukuthi wasebenzisa ikhampani yathanda isizwe Diko, i-husband ye-presidential spokesperson uKhusela Diko. He used le company to fund umtshontshwa wale mali le, kodwa-ke awuzwanga ngami. Number 2, ama-food parcels. Understand mntomnyama ukuthi ama-municipality charged u-1,300 for one food parcel. Kodwa if you do the research ubuka lama-food parcels ayenikwa abantu, they only cost u-350. That means ukuthi khona imali eyaye ephaketheni lomuntu. Understand mntomnyama ukuthi eKwaZulu Natal kwalahleka imali engango-15 million. Yadisappear nje ukuthi yephi asazi. It was all done in the name of community food relief. And abantu ababe uhamba phambili kuko konke lokho it was ama-ANC. I-ANC yayiletha ama-food parcels are branded with their logo. So who stole the money? Asazi.